अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं मोहम्मद अब्दुल हकीम। 7H न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। कमिश्नर पुलिस अंजनी कुमार की जानिब से कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ट्रैफिक अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम रखा गया। आइए देखते हैं सैयद अहमद की ये रिपोर्ट।
Friends, I appeal to the police person in each one of you. Every boy and every girl sitting here in this hall is also a police officer. The only difference is that we wear khaki, you wear multicolored dress. My appeal to all the police officers sitting here, that you should not only regulate your habits, you should not only follow the rules and the guidelines in your life, but you should also inspire, motivate, regulate all the behavior of people who come into your contact. Whether it is your family member, whether it is your friend, neighbor, never remain silent when you see something wrong. Have the courage, have the guts, have the motivation to open your mouth whenever you see anything wrong. Even if your father is going out without a helmet, you should say it is wrong. Even your best friend is going in a car without a seat belt, you should say it is wrong. Even somebody very close is going on into internet and seeing something which is not proper, you should say it is wrong. That is what is more important for India. In India, there is no dearth of individual talent. What is more important is how do we grow collectively. We are weak in that. And that is why we have to conduct classes for traffic awareness, for cleanliness, for garbage lifting, for so many things. Because individually we are concerned, but collectively we are not. Last example, friends. All of you must have seen the World Cup football final these days. It was over just 1 month back. 11 players on one side and 11 players on the other side, 22. Only 22 players, their skill, their coordination, only these two things are there. Their skill and their coordination. The combination is so deadly that more than 5 crore people watch it on television, isn't it? So imagine the strength of coordination, that 22 people, 11 on each side, they are coordinating things in such a way that there is a magic. The magic is such that the entire world is overwhelmed. They are glued to the television to see it. So a group of 500 people, if you are coordinated with skill, imagine the magic you can create. And imagine the generation to which you belong. If all the first year students of Hyderabad city, if they have this